Henning, my man,
What up, white boy?
what you doing, man?
Looking at... Vil du vide det?
Looking at what?
Looking at women.
Looking at women?
Okay.
Looking at women like looking at a... Like, what's going on? Is she naked?
It's the furry thing.
Medic, are you looking at cars?
Yeah.
Have you found us a car?
No.
No?
Not yet. But
Ha-
maybe later. I don't know.
How are we gonna drive the Mongo Rally without a car?
I will... I don't know.
You know what we can do? We can make a car like the Flintstones.
Yeah.
And then we can go like yabba dabba doo all the way to Mongolia with our feet.
That would be brilliant.
That would
It's a
be really...
start.
That would be the best Mongo car ever.
No gasoline.
No gasoline. No carnet de passage.
No. Just rock and muscle.
Just rock and muscle. Excellent. Yo, wish us luck.